So in the first half, what we have done was we have completed the um, only the front view, and in that front view, few things were still pending. We'll just have a look at how it is, can be made a change. So students, are you able to see it? My screen is visible to you? Yeah, perfect. So this was the diagram what we were having in the morning, and let's start with the rest of the part of it. Okay, so now what we will do is we will make the center line. This center line we have to make it, बच्चा लोग. ठीक है, ये center line मुझे बनाना है. This center line I have to make it. So that center line is at a distance of 30 from the top. At a distance of 30 from the top. So what I'll do is I'll just take it from this part, and yeah, from here I'll move down, and that is 30. Enter, and this is my center line. So this is my center line. Perfect. Now I'll just convert it into a center line, students, and center line I have already. So this is my center line. I'll just make the change in the color. So change in color is done. At the same time, I'll just increase the line types spacing as well. So line type spacing, I'll just put it 10, enter. So I hope it is much bigger now. Okay. So I have to make a change in this. So let's keep it 5. So this is the center line what we are having now. By taking the center line, now the question is why we have made the center line. So just parallel to that, when you see it here, let me come to that. Yeah. So when you see this, so so if I'm seeing it here, so here we can see that there is this circle. Okay, ये जो circle है, okay, this circle, are you able to see it from a front view, students? Are you able to see from a front view? Can anyone tell me? From a front view, are you able to see this circle? No. So this circle is not being seen, and at the same time, the circle is having a diameter of 30. So circle is having a diameter of 30. So for this center line, 15 above and 15 below, when you make it, that becomes this circle. ठीक है, वो hidden line जैसा दिखेगा. So what we will do is we'll just select this, and 15 above, that is 15 above and 15 below will be made. Okay, this is the case. I'll just convert it into a center line, sorry, hidden line. So, yeah. So this two. So this will be converted into now hidden line, and hidden line has a property. So and the color I will make a change. So this is the complete diagram what we are having. Still, this line what we are having, A line, this line till where it will go, we are not knowing. That will understand in the case of a side. So this is the final diagram what we are having, and I hope you understand this part. Anyone has any problem with this particular diagram, they can ask. Yeah, I'll take your questions. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Anyone has any question? Yes, there is the raise hand. Yes, senior raise hand. Yes, go on.
Sir, what you explained now, can you explain again? Means now what you explained.
I didn't explain something new. Only the thing is like at a distance of this at a center, basically like 16 to 20, or from the top when you see, at a distance of 30, there is a center line. At a distance of 30 from the top, you are making a center line. So from the distance this, from this to this, there is a 30. I have made a center line, and by taking a center line, I have just copied two more lines above and below. Now, what is the distance between these two lines? So it is actually, the circle is of 30 mm diameter. ये 30 mm diameter का circle है. So above 15 and below 15 will be the hidden line for this circle. So that was something what was made. And any doubt still? Yes, these two lines what we have made it from the center line, 15 above and 15 below. Yeah, Isha, go on with your question.
Sir, but from front view, we cannot see that center line, right?
From front view, we are not able to see it. Now that is why we have made it hidden line, right?
No, also the center line.
A center line is something which is not, we are not talking about this here, seen or not seen. Center line represents that there is a circular section or a curve section. Okay.
Okay.
Oh. Distance of both line which you have made just now. I told you this is 15 above from the center line and 15 below, as it is written here 30. I hope, Aryan, I have given your answer. Explain the center line again. The center line is from the top. From the top, you have to take 30. See, it is mentioned here. So from the top, you have made 30, at a distance of 30, you have made a center line. So from the top, at a distance of 30, I am making a center line. I hope it is clear, everyone. Yes, anyone has still any doubt, so they can ask it. Yes, come on. I hope I have given your answers, Alicia, Aryan. Yes. Please reply. Alicia, okay, fine. Okay, so we'll move further then. So now we will be making the next part. Next part in the sense, let's make a diagram for the top view. अभी top view के लिए बनाते हैं. तो देखो top view में क्या difference आ रहा है. So in the case of a top view, the very first part is we'll just make a center line. क्यों center line बनाएंगे? Because when you see here, this is the line which is, as I told you already, this is the line which is helping us to divide the particular figure into two half like this way. Okay? So what we will do is we'll first make a center line. So center line, let's make it here. This is the center line what we are having. I'll just make a conversion. Later on I'll erase it because that is not representing something which is related to the circular section. So it is just a symmetricity what it is mentioned. Okay, so this is the center line what we have made it. Later on we'll erase it. Once our job is done, we'll just erase it. Okay, for time being we are keeping it. Okay, fine. So now at a distance of 40, see, at a distance of, here you can see that at a distance of 20, this outer circle is 40 mm diameter. Okay, na? So at a distance of 20, you are having the two circles, right? What is the distance from the blue center line above and below? From the blue center line above and below, it is 15 above and 15 below. It is 15 above and 15 below. Perfect. So let's start with it. So this what we are doing is this circle only. So we'll take up this projection of it. You all can take a projection. I've taken a projection till here. So why the taken projection is taken? because we already know that this bigger circle is starting from where and ending where. Okay, na? So as we are already aware that this particular circle, ये जो outer circle है, वो यही है, यही line है, ठीक है ना, यही line. So that is representing the same thing. So I mean, what is its distance from where? The last line what I have made it was this line, which is exactly center point of this width. ये width है, उसका center point लेके we have marked it the line. ठीक है? And if you are considering that this is the last line, so if this is the last line, then simply you have taken a projections down. Okay. Now here, in this particular thing, we'll just go with a circle. Okay. So circle. Now the circle will take 2-point circle. One point is here and another point is here. So we'll make a 2-point circle. Okay. Now, for the circle, this is the center point. So I'll just take the another one, which is the radius one part, and here there is already a circle. The circle has a radius of 9. Enter. So we got these two circles. Just check, students. You understood completely. If not, please let me know. Yes. Yes, Yash, I hope I have given your answer. And next 1 minute to just check, draw it till here. If you have any doubt, you can ask it. Okay, so if you are talking about the circle, how to draw it, just have a look. From this point, we have taken the projection down. So we got the point, and one point we are already aware of. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll go with a circle, and in circle I'll take 2 point. 2 point means I'll select this point and this point. I'll get a circle. Okay. After then, you take a circle center radius. If you click on this, rather than clicking, you simply take the mouse till here. It will show you the center of the circle. And then from there, you can make the smaller circle. I hope it is clear. The circle, outer circle diameter is 40. It is mentioned outer circle diameter is 40. Inner circle diameter is 80. Yes, I got many hands raised, I think so. Only one. Yes, Jihan, go on.
Sir, do we have to draw the projection line और वो सिर्फ या फिर आपने वो सिर्फ रेफरेंस के लिए दिखाया है?
नहीं, you have to draw. You have to draw. You have to draw.
Straight line की dotted lines?
No, light line. Straight line,
Light.
continuous line, but it should be light line. Exact, एकदम light होना चाहिए. So I'll give you a minute to just draw it till here. Then we'll proceed further. This dashed blue line is 30 mm. Is 30 mm below. This blue line is being 30 mm below. Mayank, I hope it is clear now. What is the radius of a circle? The outer circle has the diameter 40 and the inner circle has a diameter 18, 18. 18. You can, I'll zoom, see 18. No, sir, the third quadrant. Third quadrant only I'm telling you. I'm talking about third quadrant only. Acha, you're talking about Mayank. You're talking about this. This line exactly at the center means whatever is the width, uska center point mark kiya, and then I have drawn a line. So the time is over now. I hope you have completed till here. So this circle is being made. After then, what is the next we have to do? Next we have to do is we have to make here a strip. यहाँ पे which strip we are talking about? I am talking about this strip, ये वाला strip, ये ऐसे पूरा, ठीक है? ये जो strip है ना, ये पूरा strip, ये strip की बात कर रहा हूँ. So in that case, I'll take once again the projection of this. So I'll take the projection of this because this is only that strip we are talking about. So you all please draw it in this way only. Just erase this part. Okay. This much I'm giving it as. Okay, so in this case now the strip will be starting from here and reaching till the end. So in that case, you'll be reaching till the end. After then, what is next to be done? So next to be done is you have to take the projection of this also. So you're taking the projection of this also. In that case, this is taken projection. See to it that please make a light line. Okay. Next, I'm taking it as an till here to here. Please make a light line if you're making it in this way. So this is done, this much. But still there is few more things what we have to make the changes. Now what is the change? Just have a look. When you see from the top, students, so the projection line we made is going inside the circle. Going inside the circle, not possible. Not possible because this line is 40 itself. Students, what we have made this line was already 40 ना. ये देखो 40 था. तो आपका अंदर कैसे आ रहा है? This was 40 और हम ये भी तो 40 बना रहे हैं. So it is not possible, बच्चा. Please make a change, check it and please make a change. Okay. So when you see from the top, students, when you see from the top, this seems to be like a rectangle, isn't it? अगर मैं इसको पूरा पिचकू कर दूं, if I'll make it completely पिचकू, what will happen? This seems to be like a rectangle. ये rectangle जैसा दिखेगा, ये cylinder का जो part है. So we'll see it here now. So the outer circle is of 30 mm radius. So what we will do is center line say 30 above and 30 below. So 30 above, we'll take it till here, which is Control A, and then I'm deleting it here. You guys are making with the. Okay, so this is there. You can see that it is continuous. So इसके लिए मैंने बीच में कोई line नहीं है, वो निकाल दिया. अब मैं इसको mirror करने जा रहा हूँ. This. I'll do mirror. ठीक है. Mirror कर दिया मैंने. And then I'm just removing this part. Students, am I audible? Yes. Am I audible? Okay, perfect, good. 30 from above. Yeah, you can say like that. From here 30 above and from here 30 below. Like that you can say. So what I'll do is I'll just make this way. You are supposed to make it. Okay. ये ऐसे. अब हम क्या करेंगे, इसको कनेक्ट कर देंगे. Like this way and this way. ये हमने कनेक्ट कर दिया. When you see from the top, it seems to be this way. ये ऐसा, 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 and this way the same thing. Back side seems to be like this. Students, try to relate it. If you are not able to understand, please let me know. If you want to, I'll just show it here itself. In this, that you can see here that it seems to be like this ऐसा, 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 फिर इधर भी ऐसा होके फिर नीचे जाएगा, and this will be like this one. Yes, yes. Are you getting it? So this what we are talking about. ये जो है, what is this? This is this part. So यहाँ से this the radius is 30. So यहाँ से 30 लेना है और यहाँ से 30 लेना है. So from here you have to take 30 above, from here you have to take 30 below, and then simply you have to connect it. That's all. I hope it is clear, everyone. So Dhwani, I think so it is clear now. Perfect, good. Yes, Isha has raised the hand. Yes, Isha, go on.
Sir, after taking 30 above and 30 below from the center line, so how much left? How much length left we have to go?
You are simply supposed to touch this line. ठीक है? The
सर वो
moment.
लाइन ऊपर वाले की एक्सटेंशन है ना?
हाँ हाँ, ऊपर वाले का एक्सटेंशन है. यस, ये वाला ही एक्सटेंडेड है.
ओके सर.
ठीक है, and this is simply I think so ये जो distance है वो similar to this, which is 9 I think. Check 16 minus 25 is 9. Yeah. So this distance is similar to this distance. Yes. So yes, anyone has any problem still? Can we move further, students? Students, can we move further? Okay. Okay. Fine. Now, what is the next thing we have to take? We have to take the projection of these two. ये सर्कल का भी प्रोजेक्शन लेना है, ठीक है? तो ये सर्कल का प्रोजेक्शन हम कैसे लेंगे? Before taking the projection, what I am supposed to do is, you all can take the projection properly, but यहाँ पे मुझे थोड़ा सा typical आ रहा है, so need to check. Okay, चलो, आप projection ले लेते हैं. Projection कैसे लेंगे हम? This point we have to drop it down and just erase it. This portion, ये portion, ये portion, ये भी portion. Okay, चलो मैंने नीचे ले लिया, ठीक है? This line I'll just make a change this way. Okay. Similarly, I'll take this as a mirror command, and from here I'll take it till here. No, ये भी हो गया. One more projection student we needed. कौन सा वाला है? देखो ये वाला जो tangent के लिए बनाया था, ठीक है ना? वो important है, tangent वाला. So Control A, I'm just trimming it. You people already have the eraser, so you can do it if you have made it little extra like this way. ठीक है, अंदर के सर्कल का थोड़ी देर बाद देखते हैं, for a time में रुकते हैं अभी यहाँ. Okay, now when you see from the top, this cylinder again will seems to be like a rectangle. फिर से ये कैसा दिखेगा बच्चों? रेक्टेंगल जैसा दिखेगा, ठीक है ना? कैसा दिखेगा? रेक्टेंगल जैसा. ओके, सो लेट्स मेक दैट रेक्टेंगल. नाउ रेक्टेंगल का हाइट कितना होगा? सो दैट इज 24. एंड रेक्टेंगल का बेस कितना होगा? ऐसे बेस कितना होगा? सो दैट इज व्हाट? 40. दिस इज 40 एंड दिस इज 24. सो यहाँ पे 40 और यहाँ पे 24. Okay, so how we'll go with it? So we will start with this point. We'll go above. As total is 24, what I'll do is I'll take 12. I'll go this side, which is 40. And then once again, I'll come down as 12. Enter. Okay. Press escape. Now this I'll do a mirror. Okay, ये मैं क्या कर दूंगा? Mirror कर दूंगा. So this much is there. So now this is the rectangle what we are supposed to receive it. So in this case, this is your part. Now, this particular rectangle, what we have taken, okay, it has some joining. Here also it is joined, and here also it is joined by the strips. So what I'll do is I'll just take a strip. Strip कितने का है? 12 का, means 6 above, 6 below. So इसको मैं select करता हूँ and copy करता हूँ 6 and then 6 like this way. Or these two lines I'm just getting converted. Let's make a continuous line. Okay. Now I'll just remove that part, extra part. So extra part is this one, similar this one, and this one. In this case, I have to remove this part, even this part. So complete this is taken into consideration, and then remove this, these things, erase it. Okay. Wait a minute. I'll just take your question. Okay. Okay. So please, can you repeat that rectangle part again? Okay. I'll just repeat it once again. Not a problem. So rectangle, basically what I have done is that how it is being done. You can just have a look. The portion what you have to remove. Okay. Like an example, I'll tell you that here the rectangle, when you see, you are here. Okay. You are here. And in that case, when you see this from the top, so this becomes a length for you. Yes or no, Aditya? This becomes a length for you. Yes or no? Yes. And this becomes the height, isn't it? Okay. So the length is how much? Length is the diameter of the circle, which is 40. Okay. And what is the height? That is 24. So here what we have done is from here, we have taken above 12, and from here we have taken 12 below. And this length is 40. That's all. That completes your diagram. I hope it is clear now. What is the measure of bottom middle blue line? Bottom middle blue line from the top. Okay. If you are talking about this line, so this line is exactly half of at the width. ये जो width है उसका exactly center point मैंने mark किया और फिर उसका एक center line drop किया. ठीक है? The rectangle should be vertical. Yes, it is vertical. It is vertical. Here you seems to be like it is vertical, but here it seems to be like horizontal. But focus on the dimension, Siddharth. The dimension, this dimension is bigger as compared to this dimension. Siddharth, I hope it is clear now. This is 40 and this is 24. I hope it is clear now. Can you show the dimensions? I'll show you dimension, not a problem. You can just have a look. So this with this is 40. Okay, and one more. You don't write the dimension yet. This is 24. You can see here. So Abhishek, is it fine now? $15 ITA. Is it fine? Okay. Let's move further. So this were the dimensions, and this was the top. Okay, what I'll do is I'll just remove this because now it will be creating a messy, that's why. So later on we'll just put all the dimensions. So this way. And one more thing I want to show you is, you can see here that so here we're supposed to take this line till here. So students, any doubt? ये दिख रहा है आपको? ये देखो, this strip which was this strip, यहाँ पर ये जो strip था, ये strip, and that is your this strip. This strip has gone little inside the circle, है ना, tangent है ना ऊपर. So when you see from the top, you'll be able to see that this portion is little inside the this rectangle. Yes or no? Yes or no, students? Please reply with your answers. Yeah, perfect. Now we can see one more thing. You can see that when you see from the top here, this portion is not having a line here. Means what? Here there is no line. You have to see that where till where it will be coming. You can see that this strip is same as this strip. Okay, na? So this strip comes till the center of the circle. It comes till the center of the circle. So what we will do is we will just take the projection of the center line till here. Okay, and here if you take it, and later on we'll just give it, not a problem. Now this I have to take it till here, similarly till here, and then I'll just trim it till here. We have to take this, ठीक, in this way we are supposed to go with. चलो, तो ये भी मैं बाद में डिलीट कर देता हूँ. Students, so did you got it what I am trying to say? Because here slowly the things will go on messed up little more. Yes, when I go on with your question.
सर वो आपने ट्रायंगल बनाया ना,
हाँ.
उसके बाद वो जो आपने कट किया वो समझा नहीं, लाइक वो जो आपने 3 लाइन मारा है वो like कुछ confusing था.
Yeah. So you can see one thing when I mute मत करना. ये अच्छा mute कर भी दिया.
नहीं.
Okay, mute मत करना. देखो ये क्या, are you able to see any lines of the circle?
No.
Means what? This is overlapping on this circle.
Yes.
So see this particular line is overlapping on this circle, इसलिए ये बीच की line नहीं है बच्चे.
Okay.
Got it? Similarly in this way as well. यहाँ पर भी वो line दिख रही है इधर.
नहीं.
हाँ, तो देखो यहाँ पर भी वो line is not there.
Okay, sir.
Got it? It is overlapping with that. That's why we have taken this.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Now it is understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. So what is the distance of those blue line from the center line? Okay, that is mentioned here. Kinjal, ये देखो 12 लिखा हुआ है. ठीक है? That means what? 6 above, 6 below. You can take it 6 above and 6 below. I hope everyone is clear now. Just slowly it's going to be little more deeper. So अभी ये connect नहीं है, ये connect भी हो जाएगा कुछ देर बाद. So if you are understanding, then only we'll move further. Otherwise, it will be difficult for me to continue. Yes, come on. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. Nishant is done. Yeah, anyone else has any question? Anyone else has any question? Yes, students. Okay. Something I'll make it to just make you understand what it is. Yeah, Vinay, go on with the question. Yes, Vinay.
To lower my hand.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. So almost everyone has done. So now let me speak something related to this. So here it is, I'm making it center line, and then here I'm making it as a here it has taken as yeah. This I'm making it as center. Okay. So now the center line, why I made it, बच्चों, that यहाँ पर देखो important part. Do you able to recognize that these two lines, this lines, यहाँ पे आके देखते हो तो यहाँ पे भी कोई line नहीं है. Yes or no? Students, yes or no? This is also tangent to the circle. ये जो curve, ये circle है, उसको भी tangent है, because there is no such lines here. Similar way, यहाँ पर भी हमने क्या किया, इसको tangent बनाया. ये दोनों सर्कल को क्या किया मैंने, tangent बनाया. Students, are you there? Able to understand? This is made tangent. This is made tangent. Why is it so? Because there is no marking here. There is no sharp line here seen. That means what? It is tangent. यहाँ पर भी sharp line नहीं दिख रहा था. That means it is tangent. Similarly, यहाँ पर भी sharp line नहीं दिख रहा था. That means it is tangent. देखो यहाँ पर भी sharp line नहीं दिख रहा है. That means it is tangent. So that is tangent. तो ये tangent हमने बना दिया. But यहाँ पे देखो tangent का ये point है. I have to take it above. Now why to take it above? The question comes is why to take that line above? तो देखो आगे. The moment I'll take it above, it will help me to take this line little forward. ये वाला line. ठीक है, ये वाला line इधर तक आ गया. अब question आता है, why to take that line forward? अब सुनो आगे कैसे हो गया ये line forward. इसको हम ऐसे बना देते हैं. ये लाइन को आगे फॉरवर्ड क्यों करना था? So you can see here that this line is not till the only the center, or it is not only the edge. It is coming forward ना. ये line it is coming forward. ये circle के अंदर घुस रहा है ना वो. Yes or no? And that is something what it is shown here. ठीक है, वो यहाँ तक show किया गया. So actual length of this line was not till here, but it is extended till the this point. Clear? Understood everyone? Yes, Isha has a question. Yes, Isha, बोलो question बोलो.
सर वो पॉइंट से जो लाइन है ना, प्रोजेक्शन लाइन नीचे बनाई है, वो कैसे डिस्टेंस, मतलब उसका डिस्टेंस कैसे लिया?
Yes, are you talking about this line?
यस सर.
Okay, see, देखो यहाँ से मैंने tangent मारा सर्कल पे. So from here I have made a tangent. Now question comes, sir, आपको कैसे पता चला कि वो tangent है, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
here there is no sharp line. Sharp line दिख रहा है क्या connectivity पे?
Sharp line मतलब?
Sharp line in the sense, is there is any line present here?
No.
No. अगर यहाँ पे line present नहीं है, that means what? It is connected tangent. यहाँ पे हमने केस में देखा, देखो tangent है. यहाँ पे केस में देखा tangent है. Correct ना?
Yes, sir.
So wherever there is a connecting point and then there is no sharp line there, that means it is tangent. So if it is tangent, तो हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा, इसको tangent connect करना पड़ेगा. तो tangent connect करने के लिए क्या वो center पे connect होगा क्या हरदम?
नहीं.
नहीं, तो it will connect somewhere little further. So what we have to do is, वो point हमको मिल गया, हमने उसको ऊपर लिया, and then this portion is being extended till that point.
So पहले हमें tangent बनाना है, फिर वहां से extend करना है वो line.
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay.
Okay. So I hope it is clear everyone. देखो इसके लिए मैंने इसको भी pending रखा है अभी. You might be seeing that इसको भी मैंने pending रखा है because I am waiting for this tangent. जो side view में मुझे tangent मिलेगा, मैं उसके लिए wait कर रहा हूँ. So once I'll be getting the tangent, I'll extend this. So students, done till here? Yes, everyone done till here? That is why I'm going slow. I'm asking, that is why every now and then. That if you have done, then only I'll move further. Otherwise, no. Okay, no issues. So I'll give you 2 minutes. Just complete that and let me know. Okay, so that completes your 2 minutes now. So now we don't have to write dimension for front view. No, nothing you have to write for the dimension. It is just for your reference. Okay, don't write any dimension right now. Okay, so this much is done. Now we'll move further. Now we have to draw the, now we have to draw this hidden line for this circles. Okay, this circle के लिए hidden line बनाना है. So take a projection of it. I'll take the projection of it. Yeah. So we'll take the projection of it down in here. And this I'll make it with the light color because it should be made light. This I'll erase it. Yeah. So here I'll be getting a center line. Sorry, this hidden line. Hidden line will be here. This is taken as hidden line. Yes, आपको ड्रॉ करना है, एग्जाम में भी ड्रॉ करना है. So that is why you are supposed to practice a lot. No? So that you can draw it little easier. So now what I'll do is I'll just take this and I'll do a mirror command. The mirror command I'll do it with respect to this line. And that now. These are the two lines what we are having for the hidden line for this circle. ये जो अंदर वाला circle है उसका hidden line है. Students, have you drawn this? Yeah, I got Jihan hand raised. Yes, Jihan, go on.
सर वो जो हिडन लाइन है वो येलो लाइन को ओवरलैप करेगा कि उसको नहीं करे?
ये देखो ऐसे बनता है.
मतलब जो अंदर वाला येलो लाइन है उसके ऊपर से भी जाएगा तो चलेगा, मींस वी कैन ओवरलैप.
You are not supposed to overlap. You are not supposed to overlap. While making the hidden line, you are not supposed to cut the dark line. ठीक है? So इतना space छोड़ो और फिर उसके इधर से शुरू करो. It is like that.
Okay, sir.
So I think so. This much is done. Everyone. थोड़ा zoom करके देखते हैं. So everyone is ready now. We'll go further for the some more thing to be explained. Yes. Okay, so I'll go further now. अब सुनो बराबर से. This is the hidden line. ये center जो है, center circle, ये जो circle. This circle I have to make it. When you see from a top view, you are not able to see this circle. So the circle is having a diameter of how much? 30. ठीक है? तो center line से 15 above and 15 below. So let's start with that. So 15 above and 15 below. While what I'll do is I'll just take a copy of it. 15 above and 15 like this way. 15 in this case I'll just use on. Yeah, so these are the two hidden lines what we are supposed to make. So this is the hidden line. ये hidden line किसका है बच्चों? So ये hidden line इसका है. इसका this circle. ये circle का hidden line students. This circle का hidden lines. Okay. Now few more things need to understand. अब देखो. Do you feel, students, do you feel that there is one line, ये इसका एक बैक ऐसे से लाइन जाता होगा, Yes or no? Yes, students. Do you feel? Yeah. So that वो जो लाइन है ना, ये वाला जो लाइन है, ये लाइन ऐसे लाइन होगा पीछे इसके, ये जस्ट इस स्लैब के पीछे, ये जो स्लैब है, ये स्लैब के पीछे एक ऐसी लाइन होगी, है ना, एक ऐसी लाइन होगी, वो भी ऊपर से देखा तो वी आर नॉट एबल टू सी, ठीक है, वी आर नॉट एबल टू सी. सो इन दैट केस व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इज वी हैव टू ड्रॉ दैट लाइन. कैसे ड्रॉ करना है? सो देखो यहाँ from here till here, that line will be, and here so this line will be a hidden line, and it will be taken like this and match it. So I hope it is clear, everyone. I hope it is clear. Yes, students. Yes, you have any doubt, please ask. Is it clear? Once again explain, just have students, just tell me one thing. I'll erase this and I'll let you. ये देखो, हाँ, cool. या सो देखो, ये जो पॉइंट है, दिस पॉइंट, ये जो पॉइंट, दिस पॉइंट, यू आर एबल टू सी. हाँ, अब ये जो स्लैब है ना, ये स्लैब के पीछे देखने की कोशिश करो तो कुछ ऐसी एक लाइन होगी. यस और नो स्टूडेंट्स? नीचे की तरफ. यस. So that hidden, that line, when you see from a top, you are not able to see now. When you see from a top, you are not able to see this line, and that line is this line. वो यही line है. Student, is it clear? वो यही line है. Everyone? Okay. So this much is done. Yes, Himanshu. बोलो. Himanshu, go on.
सर वो लाइन, वो जो सेमी सर्कल के और वो अपना टेंजेंट के बीच में जो एज बनेगा, वो लाइन है ना, वो
Yes.
एज की तरफ.
Yes, yes. ये जो पीछे पूरा सर्कल बन रहा है ना,
हाँ.
बैक साइड में there is a complete circle getting created, right?
यस सर.
हाँ, तो ये वाला प्लेन और वो सर्कल के बीच में एक कर्व रहेगा ना.
यस सर. हाँ,
that curve we are talking about.
ओके सर.
Okay. Now Isha is asking that what about these two lines? These two lines कहाँ से आई? ये वाली लाइन और ये वाली. This is for this circle बच्चा. ये वाला जो सर्कल है, वो सर्कल when you see from the top, you are not able to see. Isha, is it fine? You are not able to see. So that's why this point and this point का hidden line. I hope it is clear, Isha. So at what distance do we have to make it? It is given 30, na? It is given 30. So center line say 15 this side, 15 this side. Means from center line, 15 above, 15 below. Is it fine? Cool. Everyone done till here? Have this topic to be written exam? Yes, yes, you have it. That's why I'm explaining you today. Okay, we are doing a sheet. Yes. Okay. So let's move further. We'll understand once again what is the next part of it. So one more thing, bacha, just have a look. The way you understood here, the same way you understood here as well. ये भी लाइन है, देखो ऐसे ये भी लाइन आएगी, इधर से आई है. Yes or no? Yes or no, students? ये सिलेंडर के नीचे भी एक लाइन होगी ना, ऐसे कर्व. So that curve, what we are doing is, I'll show you that. So in that case, what we will do is from here till here. Similarly, from here till here. So these two lines will also be hidden. Now the question comes that the hidden line, that particular line is throughout. No? So why you are taking till here only? Take it till the last. Why you are taking till here only? Because keep it in mind that if the hidden line is getting overlapped, चाहिए तो लिख लेना कहीं पे, if the hidden line is getting overlapped by, okay, if the hidden line is getting overlapped by normal line, then you have to make the normal line. If the hidden line is overlapped by the projection lines, ये देखो ये सब projection lines है. If the hidden line is getting overlapped with the projection line, so the hidden line will be made. ठीक है, फिर से रिपीट कर रहा हूँ. If these all yellow color जो भी line है उसको बोलते हैं visible lines. ठीक है, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Visible lines. If hidden line is overlapped with visible lines, then visible line is to be drawn. If hidden line is overlapping with the projection line, these all are projection lines, then hidden line is to be drawn. Keep it in mind. ये hidden line actually start यहाँ से हुआ था, बता देता हूँ, zoom देखो, ये start यहाँ से हुआ था और end यहाँ पे हुआ है, hidden line. But as this line and this line, similarly this small line and ये line is overlapping, that's why we are making this visible line first, and then जितना दूर में visible line दिखे नहीं दिखेगा उतना hidden line दिखेगा. I hope it is clear now. Yes, Anuj, go on with your question. Yes, go on.
Sir, can you explain that read R30, that line?
This is R30, na?
Yeah.
Sorry, R30 is this. R30 is this.
Yes, sir.
So what to explain?
So how the dimensions, how the
Dimension that we'll see little later. Right now, we will focus more on the drawing part. Still, we are pending with the drawing. That's why. Okay, focus on drawing right now. So this is the thing what we have studied. ठीक है? Is it clear with this part? सबको इधर तक समझ में आया? There is one question बहुत ही बड़ा है. At the end of the lecture, please let us know how the question will be asked for EDG in Google form or objective. A sample paper will help a lot of. Okay. So this is the part what we are having. ठीक है? So everyone understood this part? Anyone has any doubt with this? Anyone has any doubt with this? Come on, you can ask your question. Perfect. So what we will do is we will go with the third part, which is the side view. Okay. We'll go with the side. Everyone, should we start then? Perfect. Good. Okay. Reduce this little more size so that actually it is there with the 4. So go with the 4 side. In that case, it gives you the perfect place to get settled with. So this was the drawing. Now we'll come to the side view. ठीक है, हम side view check करते हैं. So we'll go with the side view, students, now. So we'll focus more on side view. Fine. What I'll do is I'll just take this and I'll move it here, somewhere here, and this. Okay, let's come to the side view now. So the grid in background of AutoCAD has any purpose? Yes, it has a purpose. It is actually giving you the point where we are each difference is 1 mm. Okay? The difference is 1 mm. The more you zoom it, the dimension it goes lower down. So the box, what it is representing starting with 1 centimeter, then 1 mm, and little more and little more. Okay? So it is giving you basically the working area through which you are working. Okay? So that is all what is representing. Okay. So let's start with the side. Yeah. So side view, when you talk about, in that we will start with first this circular part. ये circular part कर लेते हैं, ठीक है ना? But for that also once again we have to make this center line. ये center line हमको फिर से बनानी पड़ेगी. ये center line में निकाल देता हूँ because it doesn't has any use. आप रख सकते हो, that's not a problem. ठीक है. So yes, so let's start with this side view. तो साइड व्यू में सबसे पहले what we will do is we'll just make this line. ये line हम बनाएंगे, this line, ठीक है, which is exactly at the half. So let's make that first, and so this is that line. Whereas the diagram is symmetry, it is little helpful for us to convert that whole thing into a so this is the center line. Okay. Now, what we will do is we'll take the projection of the center line in here. Yes, Jihan has a question. Jihan, go on with your question.
Sir, in the top view, the hidden lines, बीच वाला जो hidden lines है ना दो, उसका center line draw होगा ना? हाँ.
इसका center line बोल रहे हो आप?
हाँ.
The center line is made already ना here, so it is represented.
तो top view बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है?
नहीं, top view में नहीं. जहाँ पे I'll at the last I'll tell you one more thing which is very important part. You might not observing it in this particular diagram, but आपको मैं last में एक और चीज बताऊंगा, तो वहाँ पे मैं और चीजें clear करूंगा, ठीक है? So set top view में नहीं बनाने का जरूरत है, ठीक है? So this is ocean. So यहाँ पे बनाएंगे. चलो हम इधर आते हैं. Yes, so this is your something what is we are talking about the reference. ठीक है ना? तो this is your reference. So yeah, so this is done. Perfect. So I'll take a circle. I'll make this circle. Which are the two circles we are making? First is your diameter 30. So that is diameter 30, which is radius 15. And another one we have to make it. This is your 30 radius. These are the two dimensions what we are trying to place it. Okay. I hope this much is done, everyone. If this much is done, then we'll move further. Students, let me know if you are done till here. Yes, students. I'm waiting, not a problem. I have taken just the reference of this, take a reference of this center line, extended till here, and then I have taken the two circles. So what are the two circles? So you can see here that the outer circle is having a radius of 30 and the inner circle is having a diameter of 30. Okay, the outer circle has the radius of 30, ये देखो radius of 30, whereas the inner circle has the diameter of 30. So with that, you can draw the two circles. Everyone. Yes, students. So just let me know that when I have to start it so that we can complete the session. Okay. I got one thumb as I'm done. Outer circle आधा बनाना है ना सिर्फ. Yes. For a time being, just make it later on. We'll make a change. There is a huge change to be done. Not to worry. So just complete this and let me know if you have done. Aditya, inner circle diameter is already given as 30 mm diameter. Inner circle का diameter is 30 mm. Okay, so with this 2 minutes is done. I hope you have completed till here. Okay, what is the next? The next is you can take the reference of this line, which is the slab. Okay, we'll push this whole diagram such that the length becomes 0, and then we'll get this slab. ये slab मिलेगा, ये जो slab है ऐसे है, ठीक है ना? ये slab मिलेगा. So we'll just draw that slab. We'll take a reference of it from here. We'll take a reference of it. And so this is the slab. Make it with all the things, make it with a light line, because later on things you have to make it change. Yeah. So this is the slab what we are getting, but the slab what we are getting right now here is of a dimension having a height basically of 16 है ना, ये तो 16 वाला ही dimension है, हमको तो यहाँ पे 21 दिख रहा है. So center of this center line से what we will do is, here you can see that the circle is 40 mm diameter. दिख रहा है बच्चों, इस सर्कल का ये कितना है 40 mm diameter. Means center से what you'll do 20 left 20 right and at the height of 21. So we'll take the reference of this as well. From here we'll take the reference and we'll try to understand that how it looks. So from here, from this point I'll go this side, which is 20, enter, and then coming down. 20, enter, and then coming down. So 20 on the right and 20 on the left. So this particular thing, what I'll do is, well, mirror. ठीक है, so this is the diagram what I have made. ये mirror बना दिया मैंने. This part I am showing it in this way. Yes. Now I will erase this part, so this one and this one. I hope you understood this. Yes, everyone. Till here they have done. I'll wait, not a problem. Yes, Himanshu, you have a question. Please go on with your question.
सर ये जो नया सर्कल का हमने बनाया है, तो फिर उसका एक हिडन लाइन भी रहेगा ना 5 सेंटीमीटर का, जो कि सर्कल 5 सेंटीमीटर ऊपर है ना, टोटल 21 सेंटीमीटर है और बेस 16 सेंटीमीटर है, तो 5 सेंटीमीटर के नीचे से हमें हिडन लाइन भी दिखेगा ना, क्योंकि उसका सर्कमफेरेंस है.
Are you talking about here?
यस 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 सर.
वो अभी बाकी है बेटा, बाकी है. ठीक है.
ओके
Still it is pending. So जितना बनाया है उतना अगर हो गया है तो wait.
ओके सर.
Okay. Yeah. So I hope the time is done, and you might have done till here. So what is the next we have to do now? What I was talking, you just focus here, students. अभी मैं देखो इधर zoom करके बता रहा हूँ. This is the tangent point. देखो ये tangent point. Now the tangent point projection I will be taking till here. ठीक है? Now what is this actually? What I am trying to do? What I was talking about, this inclined line is basically this strip. ये strip की हम बात कर रहे थे. ये देखो यहाँ पर ये जो strip है, ये strip is this strip only, this line, and this is this strip only, right? So that means what? This particular strip has reached till where? It has reached till this point. Okay? So for that purpose, we will extend this line till here at this point. So everyone just be careful that you have to take it till here. This I will be taking it. This one. That is done for the front view. Now front view is completely done. Front view is completely done. Now one more thing. As someone said, someone rightly pointed that sir, there is a circle in this particular portion, there is outer circle, and then in this inner circle. You have to take that inner circle now. So for the inner circle, what we will do is, the inner circle is having a diameter of 18, 18. देखो zoom करके 18, ठीक है ना? So what we will do is, we will take this left 9, right 9, ठीक है ना? So I'll just copy this. Left 9 and right 9, or vice versa. So in that case, this will be deleted. So now these two are hidden line. So we have to convert that into a hidden line. So we'll convert that into a hidden line, and that's all. So let this hidden line will be magenta. This is the hidden line that we finalized it. Okay, so this was something what was hidden line. Now, one more thing need to understand. When we are seeing from the front, we are not able to see the complete circle. Okay? But backside there is a complete circle. Okay? So the portion which is being not seen here, but it is present backside, we have to make it hidden line. So for that, what I have to do is I have to just delete some part of the circle. So let's understand that this to be removed, even this is to be removed. So here there is no problem. Okay. Now just have a look. What I'll do is once again I'll just draw it on the same. Now it is there. ये हो गया मेरा magenta. Okay. Now I have to make it hidden line. So hidden line, what I'll do is I'll create it in a hidden line. And this I'll keep it as int. So now it seems to be like a hidden line. So student, this way you can show it your circular portion. Now we'll go a little more deeper to understand. So let's have a look with the this. We'll take the projection of this. Yep. The projection of this, because we have to make even this box. From A, I'm taking it to it. Now, how to draw this? So when you are when you are seeing from here, that means what? 24 will be divided from the line part. So 12 left, 12 right. But the height of the rectangle See, rectangle will be making ultimately, but in the case of a side view, the 24 will become a length and the height will become a 40. So in this case, what I'll do is from here, I'll come this side, that I'll type 12, enter. Above I'll go, that is 40, enter. And then once again, I'll type 12, enter. This is my final box, which is a part. Now I'll do it mirror of it. You can completely draw in your book. Sorry, sheet. So this way I have completed the box part. Once again repeating, you are seeing from a side view. In the case of a side view, what you will see in the case of a box. यहाँ पे देखोगे तो आपको समझ में आएगा that wait a minute. देखो यहाँ पे yes once again. So when you are seeing a side view, in the case of a side view, this will again become a rectangle. एक rectangle ही बनेगा, right? Because पिच को करेंगे तो rectangle ही बनेगा, है कि नहीं? ऐसे 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 rectangle बनेगा. Now when you say that rectangle, तो rectangle का length क्या होगा? Will be 24. Yes or no, Isha? This will be 24. And what will be the height of the rectangle? That will be 40. ठीक है, 40 जो कि diameter of the circle. So with this we are getting this particular thing. ठीक है, हमको ये चीजें मिल रही. Okay. In this we have to make the inner circle. ये जो inner circle है वो हमको यहाँ पे बनाना है. So how we'll make that inner circle? So simply we take the measurement. Now let's make a change. Yes, this way. This, and then we'll make the hidden line. So in this hidden line will be this one. I'll make the change in the hidden line. The color will be, I'm putting magenta, and then this I'm putting the hidden line. See? Now this hidden line will be appeared one more time, which is again what you talk about, the inner circle. The inner circle is of a diameter how much? Inner circle is of a diameter 16. ठीक है ना? So already I have made one line. What I'll do is I'll just copy this line. ठीक है? I'll just copy with this line, and then at a distance of 16. Is it 16? Yes, 16. At a distance of 16, I'll just copy. So that completes your inner circle. ये जो circle है उसका hidden line हो गया. तो I hope you understood, students. Yes, everyone. Did you understood till here? ये दोनों hidden line किसका है? This line and this line. Hidden line is from this part. Yes, for this particular circle, these are the two hidden lines. Now we'll come to ये strip. This strip we have to take it. ये strip, ठीक है ना? ये strip it is overlapping, so that we have to check that वो strip कैसे आएगा. So what I'll do is I'll just select this line, copy. Right में वो 12 है, so that is 6 left and 6 right, like this way. ठीक? So Control A, I'll just remove it, and the final copy you can see. So here also it is removed. Now अब यहाँ पे से थोड़ा सा we'll just wait. इसको मैं कंटिन्यूअस बना देता हूँ एंड देन वी कैन डिफरेंशिएट या लाइक दिस। ठीक, अब देखो ये जो स्ट्रिप है, स्टूडेंट सुनो बच्चों, दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट सर। रेक्टेंगल का विड्थ इज 4 सेंटीमीटर, राइट? Width, are you talking about this rectangle, student? Adyan, are you talking about this rectangle? Yeah, so uska width matlab, if you are talking about this distance is 24 and this height is 40. This is 24 and this height is 40. Perfect. So students, this is little important. ये देखो, अब ये जो स्ट्रिप है, ये स्ट्रिप यहाँ पे देखो कहाँ तक आई है, यहाँ तक आई है। So till there we have to take it. So just listen. Zoom करके दिखाता हूँ। देखो, ये point है वो, this point I have to take it till here. ठीक। Now this distance I'll just make it as this way and make it a trip. See, till here it will become, you know, till here it will be coming. And in that case, when you see from this side, when you see from this side, ये drum का some portion will not be seen, जो कि ये portion है. So this portion also you have to delete it. This portion you have to delete. There comes. So there will be coming as a hidden line आएगा क्या? Let me check. Yes, student, can you tell me hidden line आएगा? Yes. Anyone can tell me? Yes, hidden line आएगा क्या? Yes, Himanshu, raise the hand. Yes.
यस सर, उसका वो जो डायमीटर 40 वाला सर्कल का सरकमफेरेंस है ना, उसका एक हिडन लाइन बनेगा।
Circumference का hidden line बनेगा, है ना?
हाँ
But
यस
can you? हाँ, बोलो।
सर, मतलब जो हमने ये इसका बनाया ना सेंटर में सर्कल का, वैसे ही वो जो दूसरा जो 10 स्ट्रिप गया ना स्ट्रिप, तो जहाँ से स्ट्रिप टच हुआ है हमारा वहाँ सर्कल को, तो वो एक सरकमफेरेंस हमें दिखेगा नहीं फ्रंट व्यू से।
यहाँ
तो
से यहाँ से जो है सर्कल जो है बोल रहे हो नीचे इधर तक पूरा दिखेगा, राइट?
नहीं सर, मैं इसका नहीं बोल रहा सर, ये दूसरा सर्कल का नीचे जो है।
अच्छा, दिस यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट।
हाँ, उसका सरकमफेरेंस का।
ओके,
जी
यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस,
यस सर।
दिस टू लाइंस
नहीं
यहाँ
वो
पर।
सर, हाँ सरकमफेरेंस है ना उसका हिडन लाइन।
या ये, अच्छा ये हिडन लाइन बोल रहे हो ना, ये वाला?
हाँ सर।
yes, okay, that is also, yes, correct. So let's have a look one by one that which are the pending things. Okay, we'll see Abhishek one by one. देखते हैं. So hidden line, when you talk about, here there will be a hidden line. यहाँ पर, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक hidden line. ठीक है, everyone agrees? Everyone agrees? Yes, everyone agrees. यहाँ पर देखो ये hidden line की बात कर रहे हैं. Which hidden line we are talking about? We are talking about this hidden line. ये वाला. That we are talking about. Yes or no students? ये देखो ये sharp है जी, zoom करके दिखाता हूँ। अच्छा, इसमें zoom नहीं हुआ। Yes, so when you zoom it, so यहाँ पे देखते हैं, ये देखो ये वाला, ये जो पोर्शन है ना, ये पोर्शन ऐसे ऐसे जाएगा। Got it? So that we are talking about. So we agree with that, okay, but there is still few things to be left out. क्या है देखते हैं, यहाँ पे देखो. What we will do students, that from this point via this point we will make one line, ठीक है, which is at an angle of 45 degree. Are you getting it? Which is at an angle of 45 degree. What will be the length of it? Random, you can take it random. इसको बनाने का तरीका क्या है? If you don't want to go with 45, you can just remember that this point, I'll show it. This point you connect it with this and then just extend it. ये point को आप इस point से connect करिए और just extend it. ठीक है? So that will give you the part. Students clear है ये? Everyone it is clear. Once again showing to ये point से connect कर दो और simply इसको extend कर दो. ठीक है? Okay. Now what to do? Why we have made this? आप देखो यहाँ पे, मुझे ये इसका प्रोजेक्शन चाहिए था. Which projection we are talking about? Just have it. I'm talking about this tangent. ये जो tangent का projection है, ये projection चाहिए था. क्यों चाहिए था ये projection? Just have it. Because when you talk about these points, it is coming above. So this strip is also tangent. It is not connected directly like this. ठीक है? कौन सा strip बोल रहा हूँ मैं? ये वाला strip. ये strip इसको connected है. Zoom करके बताता हूँ. ये देखो ये strip इसको connected, इधर तक connected. Are you getting it? Everyone understood this? This is little important. That's why I'm explaining you this part. That ये यहाँ तक आने वाला. ये clear हुआ सबको? Length of that line. See what we are doing. There is no such length of the line basically we are talking. What we are talking, just have a look. ये जो tangent है बच्चा, ये देखो ये tangent बना है. Do you all feel that this particular portion, ये जो strip के साथ में circle है, वही तो ये पूरा portion है? Yes or no? Let's try to understand in the diagram. ये जो पूरा portion है, top view से जो दिखता है, तो ये ऐसे दिखता है. Yes or no? And when you see it from a side view, it seems to be like this. Yes or no? Okay. So in that case, this line which is meeting to it, अगर मैं इसको पूरा pitch को बना दूं, तो ये line उसको इधर मिल रहा है ना? And this line is meeting here. That means ये जहाँ पे भी मिल रहा है, वो यहाँ पर भी show होगा. That is why we have taken that projection. Mirror command, so what I'll do is I'll just make another one as well. Because that was little easier to see. ये मैंने ये tangent point लिया, ये connect किया, tangent point को extend करता हूँ मैं यहाँ तक, जो distance होगा, and then from here I'll just come till this point. I hope it is clear everyone. बहुत ही छोटा portion था, but was important part. Yes, Vinay Kumar, go on with your question.
सर वो जो आपने अभी सेकंड लाइन बनाया ना, लाइक वो सरकमफरेंस का, वो मेरा वो चार्ट पे आ रहा है, लाइक वो जो डायमेंशन सब लिखा है ना.
Are you talking about it is coming on the title bar?
या
No, it should not. It should not. It should not. But if you are not making this line ना, ये line आ रहा है ना, बोल रहे हो आप? हाँ, तो ये line अगर नहीं बनाओगे तो भी चलेगा ना, because what happens कि ये जो distance है, you are talking about this distance, right? ये distance आप यहाँ से भी तो ले ही सकते हो ना. The distance you can measure it from here and then directly you can place it here.
Okay, sir.
So ये line ही मत बनाओ.
Yes.
That will resolve your problem. Okay. So anything else is pending? Okay, we'll make this as cyan color. And here we make a center line. Everyone just make the center line. Okay, so this is that center line what we are talking about. We have made this, here we have made it. Yeah, one more thing, student, one more important part. See, here when you talk about, you got a center at this point, sorry, tangent at this point, right? यहाँ पे आपको tangent मिला. That tangent you have to reflect it in your top view as well. कहाँ पे reflect करना है देखते हैं कहाँ पे reflect. Yes. So देखो कहाँ पे reflect करना है tangent. Yes. It is to be reflected in the top view as well. यहाँ पे नहीं, यहाँ पे नहीं. This and this part. I'll just move it. देखो यहाँ पे tangent को reflect करना है. कैसे? This place. This you have to take it till here at this point. Reflect करना है. And similar way, you have to go for the second one as well. So I'll take a mirror command. And from here, I'll just extend this. If you don't have a space, what you can do is, as I've told you, one side you make it, another side with the help of a scale, you can create it. With the help of a scale, you can create it. This one, yeah, two participants have raised their hand. Yes, go on with your question. Yes, Vinay, go on with your question.
No, sir, I again forgot to raise, lower my hand.
Okay.
Sorry.
Yes. Yeah, no worries. One more participant. Isha, go on with your question.
Sir, in top view, जो आपने hidden line बनाई है ना slanting, horizontal.
In a top view, I have made a horizontal line. This.
Sorry, left hand side view.
लेफ्ट हैंड साइड व्यू में मैंने हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन बनाई है दिस,
No, the down one.
द डाउन वन, दिस हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन, यस।
Yes sir. तो आपने ये जो येलो एक्सटेंड किया है वो कितना किया है?
हाँ, ये देखो
और
मैंने यहाँ
और वो
पे
लाइन
देखो,
भी कौन सी है?
यस यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे ये टेंजेंट आया,
हाँ
वो टेंजेंट को आप एक्सटेंड करोगे, ठीक है, टेंजेंट पॉइंट जहां पर भी आया उसको आप एक्सटेंड करोगे, दैट एक्सटेंशन किल इट रीचेस हियर,
yes
ये समझ में आ रहा है ये लाइन,
yes sir.
it reaches till here and then it is going above, see this one, ये
Okay
दिख
sir.
रहा है,
और वो yes sir, got it. और वो
हाँ,
हिडन लाइन कौन सी है? मतलब वो हिडन लाइन?
ये हिडन लाइन,
Yes sir.
okay, that hidden line you can see it here, दिखाता हूँ आपको, that hidden line is this hidden line, यहाँ से, ये समझ में आ रहा है, ऐसे ही उधर भी होगा, ऐसे इधर भी होगा,
हाँ
yes that is that hidden line.
ओके सर. और ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट करके कितना लाइंस प्रोजेक्ट करना है?
It is not project करके कितने लाइन प्रोजेक्ट करने, the thing whatever is useful for you that you do it, if it is not needed don't do it, ठीक
ओके
है,
सर.
there is no such compulsion that this much line you have to do. Yes, anything else students? Do you feel any more lines gonna be coming? So just let me know. Yes, any more lines going to be coming? Yes, anyone has any point to talk about, because almost we have done our part. Yes, Abhishek. Yes, Abhishek, go on.
सर ये जो आपने अभी जस्ट लाइंस बनाए हैं हमारे, क्या बोलते हैं प्रोजेक्शन लाइंस, सो ये हम बनाएंगे तो सर बहुत ज्यादा वैसा हो जाएगा, क्राउडेड सा, बहुत ज्यादा मैसी हो जाएगा।
नहीं लाइट बनाना ना, दैट इज व्हाई आई टोल्ड यू लाइट बनाना है, लाइट बनाना।
अगर कोई हम लाइन स्किप कर देते, बिना लाइंस के काम हो जा रहा है जैसे कहीं और से
हाँ,
मैसेज,
then it is fine, then it is fine, then it is fine.
वो कंपल्शन नहीं है ना कि उसको शो करना
नहीं
ही करना है।
नहीं, but it should be the things whatever you are getting should be properly you are getting from somewhere, ठीक है?
बस मेजरमेंट से हमको वो है और बाकी कुछ नहीं।
Yes, 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 yes,
थैंक
that's
यू।
it. Yeah. So I hope all the doubts are being completed. Still, if you have any, ask it. AutoCAD file will be shared with us. AutoCAD file, why do you need this? Complete video is going to be shared to you. You tell me, Abhishek, that is there is anything pending? Only dimensions. Yes, so almost I think so. Minimum 10 to 12 dimensions are supposed to be given. So we are given how many dimensions? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We are given more than that. So not to worry. Minimum 12 dimensions are supposed to be given. You can give it more than that as well. So That's all what it is given here. And just take down. It's basically, I'll just note it down here, front view, top view, side view. Sir, लिखा है dimension. Dimensions you have to write it down. Yes, you have to write down dimensions. Definitely you have to write down the dimensions. So this is front view. This is LHSV. This is top. Yes, Yash has the question. Yes, Yash, बोलो.
सर आप एक बार वापस फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट समझा सकते हो जो यहाँ पे अपन ने 45 डिग्री वाली लाइन मारी है.
हाँ, fourth quadrant. हाँ, okay. Wait a minute. So basically what you are trying to do here is you are just placing the dimensions properly. So what you can do is you can make a line per inclined line. That inclined line is at an angle of 45 degree. So 45 degree, how you have to make it? So just keep it in mind that this point you have to connect it with this point. ठीक है, ये point box का ये जो पूरा box है, box का the center point should connect with this end point, diagonally connect करना है. Once you connected it, then simply you just extend it. Automatically the angle is 45 degree only because this is a square. ये यहाँ पे square है. ठीक है, so you are connecting the center point to the end point, which is actually 45 degree. You just simply extend it. The moment you extend it, what will happen is your line will be extended, and then whatever the dimensions or whatever the projections you want to take it from here, you can take it till this line and then take it above. So that will be your format of completing the diagram. Yeah, so that is this part. This is the sheet what you have to complete it, students, and this you have to, I'll just, if you want to, I'll just focus on one single object so that in the video at least you will be able to see the complete diagram. So this is the first diagram what we have focused. Okay, complete front view. Okay, and then we will just have a look with the top view. So this is the complete top view. Okay, students, this is the complete top view, and then we will be having the side. So here it is a side. So I hope it is clear. Okay. Yes. Yes, there is a raise of a hand. Yes, Uwais.
हेलो सर.
बोलो.
हाँ सर, इसमें जो भी रेडियस दिया हुआ है वो सब मिलीमीटर में है ना सब?
सब कुछ मिलीमीटर में. एवरीथिंग इज इन मिलीमीटर.
ओके सर.
यस, यश बोलो. Yes, you have a question? Okay, by mistake he has raised the hand. Okay, Jihan, already the some more questions are already being there in your resource book, so you can practice it a little more. Okay, so what I've done is I have just made you practice in the AutoCAD as well as made you practice in the sheet. That completes your orthographic, students. Okay, orthographic projection का chapter खत्म हो गया. Clear? So orthographic projection आप जब भी करोगे तो see to it that you are doing more and more problem from your resource book. If you have any doubt, you can just ask it. Is it clear, everyone? Okay, so this type of question will be there for ISC. Yes, it can be there. No, it can be there. I can ask any one of the view as well. So that will not be creating any problem in that. So how much marks is this problem? This marks carries 15 marks. 15 marks. 1 5. So each view along with dimensions are 5 marks. Okay. So in ISC question will be EGD from cycloid, involute, lines, and orthographic. Module 1, module 2, module orthographic projection module. These are the four. These are the three conditions. What is mentioned? It is mentioned. I think so. It is given in your this. I'll stop the share. Should I stop the share? Yes, everyone. Should I stop the share? Okay. Yeah. So someone was asking about this.